Guys, today we're gonna make webs for DIY webs, and all you need is an Elmer's glue stick, and I'd prefer it to be washable and disappearing purple. If it's, see, it says right there all of the stuff you need. And so what you want to do is you open up. Also, if you hear in the background, my brother is crying because he can't have his friend over. But what you do is you grab like this much, and you close it off. And what I have to web is this thing, this bell, and then you just do this. Okay, so now that you've done it enough, it should come out as like a stringy consistency. It's kind of invisible, but like this. And then now you get whatever you're gonna decorate or web, and then you just do this. This is a short little DIY video, so if you guys want more, make sure to hit the like button and the bell and comment down below. Also, I've been doing this in school, and what I also did, okay, so that's, let's see, it's pretty good. It's all webbed out. Now what I've done in school is I've gone like this, and then I've just gone like this. It takes some time, but eventually it looks super cool. Also, I'd prefer you to do this by sync. Now look, it's like, yeah, so I'll just, once you've done that, now it's like really like cottony feeling. Okay, so yeah, if you guys like this quick DIY, I can't talk today, DIY little video, then comment down below, and let's see, a like goal of 2 likes and 2 probably. And so yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.